Probably have your
Yeah.
one Amazon account logged in there.
I probably need to be warming up a second Amazon account. What's the general process of doing that?
So in terms of making more Amazon accounts, yeah, very prudent thing to be doing. I'm assuming right now you got a PC set up or a Mac or something, and then you can literally use the same credit card. Then after that, you can place one order a day, start dropshipping. This will probably be like, 1 to 2 weeks after you create the account, bought a few things. That's when you can test that first dropship order. I think Sammy had a video about Amazon accounts. Let me see if I can find it.
Hey, can you hear me?
Sir, what's good?
What's up, man? Yeah, my name's James, but yeah, I go by
Jonathan.
Dad Boy. Yeah, appreciate your time, man. I guess to kind of give a quick summary of where I'm at. I started on the 4th of this month.
2 weeks.
Yeah, about 2 weeks. Starting to get some motion. I have about 2,700 items. Starting to gain momentum. I'm probably averaging, I don't know, like 3 to 5 sales. As I kind of scale out this one account, and I'm not trying to do anything complex. I'm just trying to scale out one account, learn the ins and outs, and then just kind of pivot from there. But I feel like I probably need to be warming up a second Amazon account. What's the general process of doing that?
We need to make a write-up. Yeah, but for now, yeah, I'll definitely walk you through it.
If
Okay.
Rupe is still on the call, yeah, we need Jonathan and Caleb. They need access to the docs so we can all edit and make one together.
So in terms of making more Amazon accounts, yeah, very prudent thing to be doing. I'm assuming right now you got a PC set up or a Mac or something. You got like a laptop. Probably have your
Yeah.
one Amazon account logged in there.
Mhm.
I would, it's going to be on its own Chrome profile. What you're going to do is you're going to make a new Chrome profile. You're going to use a new email. Doesn't have to be Gmail, but if you got another Gmail lying around, use that. Or literally any other email service out there. And you're going to use that email in the new new Chrome browser profile to basically make a new Amazon. You're gonna, type in Amazon. You're just gonna scroll around for a bit, and you're gonna press create account, and you're basically gonna fill it out with. You could literally do your same name. What I was taught to do was to just do a name variation. So like first name, last initial. So just so that's a little bit different. And then you can literally use the same credit card. When it's time to add that credit card and the billing info, you're just going to do your home address and some variation, just like your name. So if you live at, you can do 70 Saunders Street, apartment one, even if there is no apartment, just to give your account a bit of separation, right? And once you've set up your account, purchase Prime, you've added the card, the billing address, it's all set up, you're going to make sure to place at least one order to your home. This is the address verification check where they match your credit card zip code to your billing address. So you're going to ship that first order, just whatever you need. Even if the more the merrier. If you want to buy like two things, that's even better. You need some towels or something, just order something to your home. It'll get there. Then after that, you can place one order a day, start dropshipping. This will probably be like 1 to 2 weeks after you create the account, bought a few things. That's when you can test that first dropship order. Place one, maybe every other day or every day. Then every week you can increase by one. So that's second week, third week, you can place two a day, three a day, up to about five a day. And then if they ask for passport or ID or something and cancel orders, you just upload your passport or our driver's license, and they'll get you set up right. You can basically repeat that process. You'll have 5 Chrome profiles, 5 Amazon, each with a slight name variation, slight address variation, same credit card. And that'll be your first 25 orders a day, confident you'll be able to process. So that kind of helps.
Okay.
I think Sammy had a video about Amazon accounts. Let me see if I can find it.
I found one last night and I threw in some headphones and it was maybe like an hour and a half, but I fell asleep. He was kind of going over a document that he had, but he started touching on like hardware requirements. So it kind of sounded like he had like a
Yeah,
maybe a mobile phone and like he would tether
yeah.
off of it.
So look, like for someone like me or like let's say like Caleb, where like we have about, you get up to like 100 Amazon accounts. Once you're getting past the first five, everything changes a lot. And yeah,
Okay.
you don't have to worry about that though. That's completely irrelevant. I wouldn't worry about it. I didn't worry about that until I was like 5 months.
Okay.
You
Perfect.
you don't need it right now. Yeah, yeah. I would worry about just get your first five first. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If you do too much, bro, it is I don't wish that on you. Like, yeah, we'll get to that when it's time. But yeah, there's a way to have 100, but you just need to worry about five for now.
Okay, perfect. So, for my situation currently, warming up a second Amazon account is the right move.
It is, yeah, the right move exactly. And like
Okay.
every week from now on, I would start warming up another one. one. Try to get that first 5 done. And
Okay.
basically, like they might ask for phone number. You can just try the next day. Or if you want for one, you can just put in your phone number and then remove it after. You know, it's usually fine. They're usually not as strict for those first few.
Okay.
Generally, though, I was taught, like, yeah, if they ask for phone number, just try again the next day until they're not asking for your phone number off the bat when you're making. And
Okay.
eventually, you'll get all 5. So
Cool. All right. So I'm probably overthinking.
yeah, it's very common. It's a good thing. It protects us from doing stupid stuff. But you know, part of the process is making mistakes. Like I've gotten plenty of Amazon accounts banned before, probably like 20 at this point. So
Oh man.
yeah, it's completely normal. Don't worry. Just get into it. Start doing stuff. Yeah.